Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. In my last video I tried to compare the GoPro Hero 7 Black and the Sony FDR-X3000 in terms of battery life. The Sony ended up overheating. I think it was related with the position in which the camera was lying down, not allowing the battery side to cool properly. So I decided to repeat the experiment. Both cameras are recording 4K 60 fps 60 mbit, have stabilization turned on and wireless connections turned off. The GoPro Hero 7 is using the original battery of my Hero 6, so both cameras have batteries with similar wear level. After 1 hour and 2 minutes the battery of the Sony FDR-X3000 was empty. With 1 hour and 18 minutes the battery life of the GoPro Hero 7 was about 15 minutes longer than the one of the Sony FDR-X3000.